I have never seen a chapter or a verse in this Quran that told the Muslims to go and attack a church, or to go and attack a mosque, or to go and attack a city, or to go and attack a race, or to go and attack a country. I have never seen a verse in the Quran that says that. But I have seen a verse that said, when you meet up to fight, when you meet up to fight, meaning that the other person knows that the war is in the front, and you too know that the war is in the front, and when you are fighting, you fight in the way of Allah. Quran chapter 2, verse 190, Quran chapter 2, verse 191, fighting in the way of Allah. I have never seen a place in the Quran that asks the Muslims to march up and destroy church, destroy mosque. I have never seen anything like that.
She said she has never seen a verse in the Quran where Allah instructed the Muslims to attack churches, to fight the Christians. Now let us go through few verses from the Quran. Quran chapter 9 verse 29. It says, "Fight those who do not believe in Allah and the last day, nor comply with what Allah and His Messenger have forbidden, nor embrace the religion of truth from those who were given the scripture." That is where we are going. Allah is instructing you Muslims to fight anyone who do not believe in Allah and Muhammad, and anyone who do not embrace Islam from those who were given the scripture. Who were those given the scripture before? The Christians and the Jews. They have the gospel and the Torah. Now, until they pay the tax, willingly submitting, fully humbled. Now, let us go through the tafsir of this verse to get a better understanding of this verse and to know who exactly is Allah is instructing you to fight. Now, it says, let's read Tafsir Ibn Abbas. It says, "Fight against such of those who have been given the scripture." Fight those who have been given the scripture before Islam. Fight them. That is, the Jews and the Christians. Because they believe not in Allah and the last day. Because the Christians do not believe in Allah. Don't forget, Yahweh is not Allah. Allah and Yahweh, both of them are not Olorun Olodumare. If you are Yoruba, wake up from your slumber. Nor in the bliss of paradise, if you don't believe that you are going to enter Islamic paradise where you are going to be given 72 virgins, the Muslims has to fight them. And those who do not submit themselves to Allah through confessions of Allah divine oneness, and anybody who refuses to say La ilaha illallah, Allah is instructing you Muslims to fight them. Let's check Quran chapter 8 verse 12 and 13. It says, "Remember, O Prophet, when your Lord revealed to the angels, I am with you. So make the believers stand firm." That is, Muhammad should make sure the Muslims they stand firm. "Allah will cast horror into the hearts of disbelievers. So strike their necks and strike their fingertips." The Muslims should cut their necks and their fingertips. Why is Allah saying this? Let's go to verse 13. It says, "This is because they defied Allah and His Messenger." Allah is instructing you Muslims to strike the heads of the disbelievers and strike their fingertips because they do not believe in Allah. And whoever defies Allah and His Messenger, and whosoever who do not believe in Allah, then know that Allah is surely severe in punishment. This is Allah giving instruction to you Muslims to fight everyone who do not believe in Allah. Let's check Quran chapter 8 verse 39. It says, "Fight against them," that you Muslims should continue to terrorize them, continue to fight them until there is no more persecution, and your devotion will entirely to Allah, until all religion, until everyone becomes Muslims. If we still have Christians on the land, if we still have those who do not believe in Christianity and Islam on the land, Allah is giving you, the Muslim, the instruction to fight them, to terrorize them until they say, La ilaha illa Allah. Meanwhile, this Allah is a deity chilling in the Kaaba shrine. I think I have given you few verses. You can check it from your own end and let me know what you have to say about those verses. I know one thing about Muslims: if you tell them something, they always have something to say. That is one of the problems they have. They always have something to say. This religion, I'm telling you, religion is a cult. The creator of everyone has no religion. Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè has no religion. Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè only gives us culture and tradition. My advice to everyone listening to me at this time is, go back to your roots. Go back to your house. Trace your roots. There is no heaven and hell anywhere. All those stories in the Bible, in the Quran, were concocted by some group of people just to deceive the whole world, to control the whole world, and to enslave Africa. I'm saying it again. Go back. Trace your roots. These books given to us cannot save us. Don't forget, we have been surrounded by these jihadists. Don't forget, once again, Allah is not Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè. Thank you. Bye.